Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today, I will discuss the topic Introduction to Computer Architecture. What is a computer architecture? Computer architecture refers to the design of a computer system. It includes the CPU, GPU, memory, and other components that make up a computer. Basic components of computer. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. Monitor displays the information processed by the CPU. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device used to enter data into the computer. One Neumann architecture. The one Neumann architecture is a theoretical design for a stored program computer that includes a processing unit, memory, and input and output. Different types of computer architecture. One Neumann architecture is the traditional computer architecture. Harvard architecture uses a separate memory spaces for instructions and data. Reduced instruction set. Computing RISC uses a simpler instruction set for faster processing. Performance measurement matrix. Benchmarking measures a system's CPU, memory, and storage performance. Metrics include clock speed, cache size, and instruction set architecture. Conclusion. Now that you have learned the basic of computer architecture, you can dive deeper into specific areas like microarchitecture or computer networks. Keep exploring and learning. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share information on introduction to computer architecture with you. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like and subscribe.